Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about diphthong IA, and let's just go directly to um, the definition of what IA is about. So, IA is pronounced like the EO in the English word neon, except that it is a somewhat shorter sound, and that's what I've been saying um, in the like in the past diphthongs, right? It's always a shorter sound. Um, so IA is pronounced like the EO in the English word neon. Note that when there is a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately, and it's again similar to the previous diphthongs, where if you have an accent or any of the letters, the the vowels are pronounced separately. All right, so I guess the main takeaway here is IA is pronounced like EO. All right, so that said, let's look at some examples.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the IA diphthong.
Seria,
Seria,
seria, seria, seria,
so IA is coming at the end. IA is at the end, right? So um, neon, EO, Seria.
seria, seria,
So it's not stereo, it's Seria.
media,
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 half.
estudiar,
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 esencia,
esencia, essence.
infancia,
Infancia,
pronunciar,
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 pronunciar.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the manner of the native speakers.
seria,
Seria,
media,
media,
estudiar,
estudiar.
esencia,
Esencia,
infancia,
infancia,
pronunciar,
pronunciar.
Since these words have a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately.
comías,
Comillas, so you have an accent over I, so basically I and A would be pronounced separately. So this is comillas.
filosofía,
Filosofía,
brujería,
brujería,
fría,
fría,
día,
día,
bebía,
bebía.
Listen and repeat. Every other word has a diphthong.
seria,
Seria,
comías,
comillas,
media,
media,
filosofía,
filosofía,
estudiar,
estudiar,
brujería,
brujería. Notice that the J is pronounced like an H, which you saw in a previous lesson. So, brujería,
esencia,
esencia,
fría,
fría,
infancia,
infancia,
día,
día,
pronunciar,
pronunciar.
bebía.
Is the last one, bebía. All right, so this concludes diphthong IA. Next video, I'll be looking at consonant M. So until then, see you next time.